If you're considering Sprout Social for managing your social media and tracking analytics, it's important to know what you're getting into before making the commitment. While it's an excellent tool for many businesses, it might not always be the best choice for everyone. So, let's break down the 12 key things you need to know about Sprout Social before you buy and see how it compares to competitors in the social media management space. First off, Sprout Social offers robust reporting features, making it one of the go to platforms for detailed analytics. You get in-depth data on engagement, clicks, and follower growth, but the real value is in its customizable reports. You can adjust them to suit your specific needs, but it's worth noting that these custom reports are only available on higher tier plans, which can be pricey compared to alternatives like Buffer or Hootsuite. Next, Sprout Social's reporting suite comes with pre-built templates for easy access. This makes it great for beginners or teams that don't have the time to create custom reports from scratch. However, competitors like AgriPulse offer similar templates with a more user-friendly interface, so you might want to consider what's easiest for your team to navigate. The third thing is Sprout Social's ability to track multiple social media platforms all in one dashboard. It supports everything from Facebook to Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, allowing you to monitor your social performance across various networks simultaneously. However, if you need to track other niche platforms like Pinterest or TikTok, you might find Sprout a little limited compared to other tools like SocialBee. The fourth thing to mention is the ability to analyze team performance within Sprout Social. If you have multiple people managing social accounts, Sprout gives you insight into which team member is posting the most or driving the most engagement. While this feature is helpful for larger teams, it's not as in-depth as some competitors, like Zoho Social, which includes better tracking for individual posts. Moving on, Sprout Social integrates with major CRM and email marketing platforms like Salesforce and MailChimp. If you need seamless integration for your business workflows, this is a huge plus. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly solution, platforms like Sendable provide similar integration features at a lower price point. The sixth thing you should know is that Sprout Social excels in social listening. You can track keywords, monitor trends, and see what people are saying about your brand in real time. However, tools like BrandWatch offer a much more advanced social listening suite if you're looking for deep dive capabilities at a higher price. Another point to note is that Sprout Social has powerful automation features. With its smart inbox, you can automate responses and manage conversations across platforms. But if you want more advanced automation, competitors like Later or Planoly might offer better scheduling options at a more affordable rate. Next, the platform's collaboration tools stand out. You can easily assign tasks to team members, and the approval workflows are simple to use. However, if you're looking for more complex project management capabilities, tools like Social Pilot might offer better features for content planning and collaboration. The ninth thing to consider is Sprout Social's publishing tools. It allows you to schedule posts, manage your calendar, and handle your content strategy with ease. But tools like Buffer or CoSchedule might give you a more intuitive, streamlined interface, depending on your team's workflow. The 10th thing is its cost. Sprout Social can be pricey, with plans starting at around $249 per month. While it's well suited for larger businesses or teams, it may not be the best choice for small businesses or individuals with limited budgets. If cost is a concern, check out platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer, which offer more affordable pricing for basic features. On the 11th point, Sprout Social does offer a free trial, but it's limited to only 30 days, which isn't a lot of time to fully test all the features. If you want more flexibility in testing out social media management tools before committing, competitors like AgriPulse offer longer trial periods. Finally, Sprout Social's customer support is a major plus. They offer live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. While the support is responsive and knowledgeable, if you're looking for personalized assistance, you might find that other companies like Zoho Social provide more hands-on support for a similar price range. In conclusion, Sprout Social is a solid option for businesses needing detailed reporting, team collaboration tools, and social media management across multiple platforms. But if you're after something more affordable or with a wider range of features for a lower price, you might want to consider other solutions.